Hi guys, it's getting hotter and hotter, and the latest that is happening right now is that Davido just gifted his wife a brand new car. Yes, you can see that car over there. He just gifted it to Chioma today, their traditional wedding day. It's so beautiful. The joy from this occasion is reaching the whole country. This just goes beyond the wedding. This is a combination of two tribes. We are seeing Igbo and Yoruba come together with joy and happiness. This is beautiful for the nation. I've been watching the videos, I've been trying to catch up. It's so lovely. I wish them all the best in their marriage. I wish them long life, prosperity, just a fruitful marriage. They will not see tears. They've cried enough. This is their time to smile. I really wish them all the best. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.